quick sort, partition. This is the algorithm of partition for quick sort, and these are the elements. So the index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 elements are there. So initially we suppose this is the first element. So first element as pivot element, that is 65, and we have assigned I equal to P. So the first element is pivot element, so that is P, and I equal to 1, and here J start P plus 1, so J equal to 2. So let's cross check from here. So what is the algorithm is saying? Algorithm is saying first element is pivot element, and we suppose X, and we cross check AJ is less than equal to X or not. It means the second element is less than the first element or not, because J start from 2 and first element we suppose is a pivot element. So we will cross check. 70 is less than 65. No. Now the third element, 75 is less than 65. No. Then 80 is less than 65. No. Then 85 is less than 65. No. Then 60. Yes. 60 is less than 65. Yes. Then what we will do, if it is less than X, less than pivot element, then we increment I. So I equal to I plus 1. So initially I value is 1, so what it will be? It will be 2. And what is the jth element? Because start from 2, we are comparing second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So sixth, J is 6th. Jth index is 6, because 60 is 6. So what we will swap? We will swap from the algorithm increment I, and we will swap AI AJ. So we will swap A2 with A6, because I value is 2 and J value is 6. So second element will be replaced by sixth element. So second element is 70 and sixth element is 60. So we will replace 70 by 60. So we will write now 65, then 60, then 75, then 80, then 85, then 70, then 55, then 50, then 45. So now what is the index? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So jth value is 6, so we start from 7th. Comparing 65 is less than what is on 7th position? 55. So what is next? 55. So we will compare 65 is less than 55. Sorry, what was that element? So we will write opposite. Sorry, we will write 55 is less than 65 or not. Yes, 55 is less than 65. Yes, again we increment I plus 1. So now I value is 2, so it will be 3, and J value will be 7th. So we will swap. What we will swap? We will swap A3 with A7. AI AJ we will swap. So what is on third position is 75. So we will replace 75 with what is on 7th position? 55. 75 with 55. So now what will be the array? Array will be 65, 60. What is on third position? It will be replaced by 55. So 55, 80, 85, 70. What is on 7th position? 55 will be replaced by 75, 75, 50, 45. Now index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now jth value is 7, so we will start from 8th position. So 50 is less than 65. Yes, correct. So again I will increment by 1, so I value will be 4, and j value is what? 50 is what? 8th position, so j value is 8. So we will replace ai aj. So 4th element will be replaced by 8th element. So what is on 4th position? 4th position we have 80, so 80 will be replaced by 50. 8th position what we have 50. So now what will be the array? Array will be 65, 60, 55. Instead of 80, what we will put? 50. 85, 70, 75. Instead of 50, what we will put? 80 and 45. Now index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 8 it is over, so we will compare 9th element. So 45 is less than the pivot element. Yes, again. So increment I value is 4 here, so it will be 5, and jth value is 9. So we will shift 5th with 9. So 5th is 85 and 9th is 45. So what will be the array? 65, 60, 55, 50. At 5th position I, what we have? Shift sort by 45, and then 70, 75, 80, and 45 is swapped by 85. So 85. Now it is completed. We reached at the end at 9th. J reached at the end. So now what we will do? Now when we completed all the jth index, then we will swap ai ap. It means I position will be swapped by the pivot element, that is the first position. So pivot element, as we supposed initially, it is 65, and what is the I value? I value is 5. So index number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is on 5th position? 45 is on 5th position. So we will replace 45 with 65. So 65 will be replaced by 45 because I value is 5. So now what will the array? 45, 60, 55, 50, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the index. So where we reached 65 is pivot element, so it will do the partition. 65 is pivot element, so it will do the partition. So before 65 all elements will be less than 65, and after 65 all elements will be more than 65. So this is all about the partition algo of quicksort. We can simply see before 65 all elements are less than 65, and after 65 all elements are more than 65. Still it is not sorted. So how quicksort will work, we will see in the next lecture or next video. So this is all about the partition algorithm of the quicksort.